What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Rich King 02. I did that animation with my boy over here, but he doesn't want to be seen in the mic. So yeah, that's it for this part of the vlog. Let's get to the animation. Peace, I love y'all. Yeah, he did it.
Rich King, my boy. You're 2 hours late for work, boy. Get in the studio and make me some music.
Hold up. I thought we were doing a podcast film. Yeah, that's right. I catched you off guard.
Weirdo.
I care about myself. I care about me.
Passports, shooting stars, going on my plane tomorrow, you know.
I'm ending it here, bitch.